Hello again everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am in Nuneaton at the Pavilion, Stockingford Allotment Association bowling green. We've got a Christmas mixed doubles competition going on. It's on one green, I think about 24, 25 pairs have turned up. We've got two greens here. This is green number one, which is closed down for the winter. Today's competition is being played on green number two. Club over there. Anybody who does watch my channel would have seen me over here in one of my previous videos, a floodlit. See, it's now obviously daylight, so get a better view. Just have a walk around to the green.
You're stopping there, isn't it?
No, out.
20.
What we on is it?
You and Stuart. Just going to sit down on this bench. If anybody's got any questions or comments, please do put them below. We'll always get back, always reply.
3 yards on that, or from the other road.
Some big names from Warwick and Worcester County made the trip over. We got John Palmer and Ryan Prosser over there in the corner. Over there we've got Gareth and Glenn Herbert, and on his green we've got Ryan Hucknall, and he's playing a North Midlands County player, Martin Puffy, and Matt, Ryan's dad's over there. Also got, obviously as you would expect, a few local county players playing. It's pretty North Mids. We've got Natty Tonks, Darren Day, I've never seen crown green bowls before. It's a little bit different to flat green. You can see there's lots of games on. It's got a simple process really. You have to get your bowls closer to the jack than your opponents. And if all four of yours are closer than your opponents, you get 4 shots. If you've just got one closer than any of your opponent's 4, you get 1 shot. Obviously you can get 1, 2, 3 or 4. It's the first to 21.
Good road. Good road. Wait. What's gone, mate?
Googly out there.
I have been given a gimbal over Christmas, so I shall be hopefully improving the quality of the video. Won't be so wobbly. It's a great club, this. Not many greens are open through the winter. They have a winter league which runs every Sunday. Just turn up and play, pay £5 and all the prize money is paid out. Stu Perry, the North Mids County player.
Good die on you. Road's really good. See ya. Play on mine.
It's about 6 degrees at the moment, so it's pretty nippy. Hands tend to get really cold. Gareth Herbert there, walking over to his brother Glenn.
I turned the first one over, I was fucking balls.
I think they're going to go deep into the competition, along with Ryan and John, I mentioned earlier. Okay, I think I'm going to call this one. So if you are enjoying my content, please do give it a like and a subscribe. As always, I shall see you on the next one.